In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the ledger in Zoho Books. Understanding how to navigate and utilize this feature is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, so let's delve right into it. First things first, start by navigating your way to the Reports module. Once you're in Zoho Books, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several options listed there, but for our purpose, we need to click on Reports. Clicking this will take you to the main page where all reporting functions are housed, making it your go-to place for insights and financial details related to your business activities. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is to select the General Ledger report. You'll find this under the Accountant section. The General Ledger is essentially the core of any accounting system, providing a comprehensive view of all financial transactions that occur within your business. Clicking on General Ledger will allow you to see all details necessary for a holistic understanding of your financial position. With the General Ledger report option in front of you, it's time to configure the report to suit your specific requirements. One of the great features of Zoho Books is its flexibility in tailoring these reports. Begin by selecting your desired date range. You need to consider what period you're interested in analyzing, whether it's a monthly overview, a quarterly review, or an annual checkup. Choose the dates that best cover your needed insights. This configuration is vital to ensure that what you're examining is relevant and up to date. After setting the date range, the next thing you need to do is click on Run Report. This action will generate the General Ledger in real time, pulling together all the entries that fall within your specified timeline. Once generated, this ledger provides a detailed and organized listing of all account transactions, giving you a bird's-eye view of financial activities and helping you spot any discrepancies or patterns in spending and income. Now, if you find the report valuable and wish to keep a copy for offline analysis or sharing purposes, Zoho Books makes this easy. You have the option to export the report. Simply click on the Export drop-down menu, and you'll see a selection of file formats available for export. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's PDF for easy viewing, an Excel sheet for further data manipulation, or any other format that suits your purposes. And there you have it, a streamlined way to check and manage your ledger in Zoho Books. With these steps, you'll have a clear view of your financial transactions and can keep your records organized and insightful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful.